Hi guys, welcome to Run BTS Club. Today we're watching episode 8, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 좋아. 방탄은 처음이지. Oh, they're still at the 실미도. Oh, I missed that logo actually. Remember? They had that logo. Because Bangtan means bulletproof, that's why they have the bulletproof vest as logos. I remember that. So when they say individually, it's free for all. There's no teams. 안 내면 진거 is if you don't play, you lose. 가위바위보. Rock paper scissors. It's a little song that we have in the beginning. Show your hand or lose. That's a very good translation. Go 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 is a callback from another variety show. I think it's Infinite Challenge. Oh no, poor cameramans. Look at the poor cameramans with with insufficient gear. Actually, he said you're too much, not you're too mean. Why is he using Saturi? RM doesn't use Saturi. But sometimes for fun, I guess RM tries Saturi dialects. Oh, Jimin has good eye. Oh, poor cameraman. Saturi is a dialect. Some members of BTS use dialect. like a accent, for lack of a better word. He's breathing so hard. Oh, look at all the static from the shakes. Calling himself in the third person. So Seokjin. So I'm guessing every flag has different ingredients of food. Looks like it. So J-Hope uses goes back and forth with formal and informal language to Jin. He keeps saying like I'm ruined. Why is he running like that? It's the flag with no ingredients. Look at him run. V's giving up. He's too busy filming himself. That Kremlin running. Aww. The Hyung vibes. He's like, let's eat together. That sly dog. Jungkook uses formal language. Okay, any questions from that episode? They all cheat. It's a running joke that the rules in Run BTS episodes mean nothing because I'll break them constantly. I love it. They will have to cheat till the end if they want to do anything. How can you tell they talk informally? The speech is different. The words are different. The verbs are different. Sometimes even the nouns are different. What was the significance of Suga tearing the corner of the flag? Because if the corner had an X on it, then the flag didn't count. So Suga was being sly and just tore that off. What does 실미도 mean? So this one was a 실미도 special. 실미도 is a movie. It's a very famous Korean movie about highly trained elite soldiers who were created to kill the leader of North Korea. It's a big thing, but it's a lot of action in that movie. So that's why they did the survival shooting and then this kind of like training. Suga running was adorable. Suga running like an old man will always haunt my memories. He's gonna come in my dreams, chasing me with his green striped shirt, running like a grandpa towards me. Is trash the best translation? Yes. Literally called him trash. But then, wasn't Jimin lying? Why trash? Trash is a very bad way to call someone like insignificant in Korean. 쓰레기. It has a really heavy S sound in front of it. Is 사투리 only used in certain cities? For example, I know there's okay. So basically, there's 사투리 everywhere. Satori is just a dialect or an accent or something in between that. Even Seoul has Satori, but then the Seoul dialect is officially deemed as the standard Korean. So technically Seoul does have a Satori, but that is like, proper standard Korean. So we don't really call that Satori anymore. But if you're outside of Seoul, the further you go out of Seoul, the more different dialect you have, which means the heavier Satori you have. Jimin on Jin's ATV was adorable. Yes, Jin was being a big hyung. He's like, when Jimin was like, "Can you give me a flag?" Jin was like, "Oh, let's eat together. I'll share my food with you. Let's be teams." Yeah, Jin having like really, really heavy, like the protector, the hyung, the provider vibes was great. Is it hard for people with different satori to communicate? Not really, but there are some words that you won't be able to understand. But the thing is, if you live in Seoul, and if you talk to like a Jeju native who speaks in Jeju dialect, you will not understand anything. Like nothing. It's so different. But yes, thank you guys for watching episode 8, and I'll see you guys at episode 9.